Captain Picard might like this drink. Welcome to Beginner's Bar. I'm gonna make an Earl Grey MarTEAni. As I said, Captain Picard might like this cocktail. Reason being is this. This is Tanqueray gin infused with Earl Grey tea. Now, a bit of history on the cocktail. This was developed by Audrey Saunders, who ran Pegu Club in New York City, one of the hallmarks of the cocktail renaissance in the early 2000s, and she wanted to create a cocktail that would help bring people back to gin instead of just being vodka at all times. And this cocktail is a blockbuster from her. So let's get started, why not? Now, to get this going, first I need to cut a lemon and coat the rim of the Nicanora in sugar. Go ahead and cut this, buddy. That'll work. Bit of sugar. That'll work. Now just set that off to the side. We're going to need 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. Woo! That would have been fun. Here we go. 3/4 ounce of juice. And now to combine with that, an ounce simple syrup, plain simple. 2 ounces of my tea-infused gin. A little bit of history within this. At Pegu Club, they did use Tanqueray. You could use Forge, could use Beefeater, or another gin that you prefer, as long as it's in a London dry style. You know how it works. Nice! Haven't done that before. 2 ounces of 2 ounces of gin. Or, by the way, breakfast. And now, an egg white. If you're not a fan of having eggs in your cocktail, you can use aquafaba from chickpeas, and that will work just fine. Just make sure you get the no salt added. Now marry the cocktail in, and we're going to do a dry shake. It's a dry shake because there's no ice in here. Be careful when you dry shake. Standing. Put that back in. Get your ice. Remarry. Yes, I pull a Greg again. Off orange strainer. Pull back the ice. Well, I should have used my larger coupe for that. That's alright though. This is the Earl Grey MarTEAni. Cheers. Back to this. To create this infused gin, 4 tablespoons of loose leaf Earl Grey tea. I use Twinings, whatever you find will be fine. And a 750 milliliter bottle of gin. Put it in there, shake it well. Let it sit about 2 hours. I would say about after an hour, shake it again to make sure you really incorporate. dump it out, strain it through a coffee filter into a bottle, and you're set. This will stay indefinitely because it's mainly alcohol. Let me top this thing up because I know I got more in here. There we go. Gives me a little bit more of a foamy head. On that note, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit like, subscribe, comment, all that fun stuff. You can find me on my YouTube page, youtube.com/ScottWSmith. You can also find me on Patreon at patreon.com Patreon. You can also find me on Patreon at patreon.com/chocolates_inc. And get some behind the scenes. You'll see a full episode of this. Whatever couldn't be completely put in here for time. On that note, hope you all have a good rest of your day, and I will see you next time on The Beginner's Bar.